Hello everyone, sanibonani, dumelang, absheni, molweni, thobela, lochani. I hope you all good people out there. Welcome to 105 online channel. In this channel, we are bringing you celebrity news, entertainment news and gossip celebrity news.
On Tuesday, Peter Shalulile scored a second consecutive hat-trick as Mamelodi Sundowns claimed an emphatic 6-0 DStv Premiership victory over Golden Arrows at Loftusversfeld. It is the biggest victory in the competition's history, as the Namibian international took his league tally to 21 goals in the 2021-22 campaign. Shalulile is the first player in a decade to net more than 20 goals in a single season, with Bafana great Siyabonga Nomveth netting 20 goals for Swallows in 2010-11. Gaston Sereno, Pavel Safranco and Kermit Erasmus also added their names to the scoresheet. The victory ensures Sundowns move 7 points from clinching their 6th consecutive league crown, while they also have the Nedbank Cup and CAF Champions League still up for grabs. Sundowns have a 14-point lead over second-place Royal AM, who have a game in hand, while third-place Kaizer Chiefs have 3 games in the pocket, but the log leaders boast an 18-point lead over the Soweto Giants.